Hello everyone, welcome to day 85 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet the Alphine stitch. This stitch requires a foundation row of odd numbers. So here I have 11 double crochet stitches. Now the next row you're going to chain 1, turn your work and make 1 single crochet across. So this row is going to be entirely a row of single crochet stitches. Now, once you reach the end of the row, chain 1, chain 3 and turn your work. This chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet. Now, you're going to do an extended front post double crochet. Okay, that is, I'm doing a front post double crochet around the double post of the double crochet from 2 rows below. Okay, again make sure you skip this single crochet behind and make 1 single double crochet into the next stitch. Okay, so now we are not going to do anything into this double crochet here. Into the next double crochet you're going to do the front post and 1 double crochet at the back. So this is going to be the pattern: 1 double crochet and 1 front post double crochet. Make sure you skip the stitches where you do the front post double crochet, which are right here. Okay, now again the next row is going to be a row of single crochet stitches. You have to make 1 single crochet into each of the stitches. Now chain 3 and turn your work. Now we are going to do the opposite of what we did in row number 3. That is, this chain 3 counts as front post double crochet. You're going to make a normal double crochet here and you're going to do a front post double crochet into the double crochet from the previous row. So basically between 2 front post double crochet we are making the next front post double crochet. This is what forms the Alphine stitch pattern. So that's about it about Alphine stitch pattern. Do try this out, and if you have any doubts, please leave it in the comment section below, and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet stitch. Thank you.